हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू ऑल डूइंग गुड। सो अभी तक हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट जो कि 4 पार्ट में कंप्लीट हुआ है, जिसने नहीं देखा है प्लीज़ मस्ट वॉच इट। आप एक बार उसको देख लेंगे डेफिनेटली, देन यू विल कम टू द एक्सरसाइज, डेफिनेटली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। श्योर, आई एम गिविंग यू द श्योरिटी, यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, सो please watch it, then come to the exercise. Today we will explain exercise 8.1 question number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is what? In triangle ABC, right angle at B, in which AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter, then determine first one sin A cos A, then second one sin C and cos C. So first what we will do, we will make the figure. They are telling one triangle ABC right at B. So we have formed figure triangle ABC right at B. First of all, you must read question carefully, right? In which they have given AB is equal to 24 centimeter, this is 24 centimeter, and BC is 7 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. So dear student, in right angle triangle they have given us perpendicular, that is 24, and base, that is 7 centimeter, right? Okay, so now what we have to do, we can find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Hypotenuse square is what? Perpendicular square plus base square. Perpendicular is what? 24, and base is what? 7. When we will square and add it, it will become 24 is square is 576 and 7 square is 49. So it is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be, when we will add, then it will become 625, and a square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. So dear student, now you get the value of hypotenuse. AC is what? 25 centimeter. If you are not knowing the square and square root, then you must watch mathematics. In playlist you go, then you will watch mathematics, in which you will get the very easily how to find the square root and how to find the square. Okay, now come to the topic. First we have to find sin A. Dear student, sin A, angle A is here. I explained you, whichever angle they are asking, we will go and stand there. If I am standing here, so below to under my feet is what? Base. It is my base. If I am standing here, it means this is a base. If it is a base, then it is a perpendicular, or we can say we are going to find sine, trigonometry ratio sine or angle A, opposite side of the triangle to the hypotenuse, or we can say perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that is what? BC by AC. So the value of BC is what? 7, and AC is what? 25. So it will become sin A is what? 7 by 25. For your information, trigonometry ratios don't have any unit, right? Okay. Now next they ask cos A. So cos A is here. I am standing here, then this is our base and it is a hypotenuse. Cos angle A is base by hypotenuse. So base is what? AB, and hypotenuse is what? AC. So AB is what? 24, and AC is what? 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. Right? I hope clear to all. Second part you will do it by your own. मिलते हैं question number 2. Now in the second part they are asking sin C. As you all know, what we have explained you, dear student, whatever angle they are asking, you go and stand there. They are asking sin C, it means angle C is here, we will stand here. So this is our base and this is the perpendicular, and sin C is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So it is AB by AC. So it will become sin C is what? AB. AB is what beta? 24. And AC is what? 25. So sin C is what? 24, right? 24. Okay. Now again they ask cos C. Cos C. Angle C is here, so I will be stand here. So cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. So base is 7. So cos C will be 7 by 25. Okay, pause and note. Move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2, the figure they have given us. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. So they have given one figure in which they have given the value. What? P, and this angle is right at Q and R. So PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. As you all know, first we have to find all the side of the triangle. So what we will do? We will use Pythagoras theorem. Here they have given hypotenuse is what? 13 centimeter and perpendicular is what? 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the base. So as we all know, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Base square is what? Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is what? 13. So 13 square minus 12 square. As we all know, square of 13 is 169 and 12 is 144. When we will subtract, it will become 25. Base square is 25. It means base is 5 centimeter. Because square root of 25 is what? 5 centimeter. Right? So we got value of QR is 5 centimeter. So what we have to find it here? Here we are going to find tan P minus cot R. So first of all, what will we see? What angle is here? Angle is P. It means P angle is here. We are standing here. If we are standing here, this is our base. This is B. This is a perpendicular. So perpendicular tan P. Tan P is what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So I am standing here. Perpendicular is QR by base. Base is PQ minus. Next is cot R. So cot R. Angle is what? R. R is here. It means angle R is here. We are standing here. This is our base. This is our base. And it is a perpendicular. Right? So cot theta is what? Cot R will become base by perpendicular. Base is what? QR by perpendicular is PQ. As you all know, what will happen here? QR. QR value is 5 by PQ is 12 minus QR is 5 by 12. Both will be cut. It will be 0 and this is your answer. I hope clear to all. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.